Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Hot Looks black lace sleeve v-neck. Ooh, sexy. So the sleeves, as you can see, are see-through. This is what the sleeve looks like. It's right on the shoulders, so it hits you where it's supposed to. So if you get a small, it'll hit you there. The front is a V. It looks like it's empire waisted, which means it will hit you right underneath the bust. The back has a little button that you can undo. Inside there's this stretchy fabric so that it's not see-through. And then on the bottom, there's 2 layers with that same fabric on the inside. Let me go ahead and try it on. I love how stretchy everything is. It doesn't feel like you're like tight and snug in here. The waist hits you like right under the bust. It's see-through so you can see my bra strap. So I would probably recommend getting rid of that. But I mean, I personally don't really care about that. But if you care about bra straps, then wear a clear one or something like that. The back is see-through, so I would probably wear like some other type of bra, just so you can see the back here. It falls right above your bum a little bit, but in general, it's really comfy for the type of shirt that it is. To learn even more about this product, please make sure to check out the links below. And if you would like to see more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this long sleeve below. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.